Hi guys, and today I'm just gonna be unboxing the Bounce Off game. So I have some scissors right here. So let's go. Here. So just that thing off right there. So another strip of tape. Oh, there's one. There. And there's just one strip. And here's the game board itself. Yeah. So just I've just unboxed it. This set, I think I know how the game works. So you have like sets of cards, and each person like throws them on there and tries to put them in the exact thing on there, and it like, I don't know, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed my first unboxing video, guys. Bye.